A lot of people who reach out to me for communications reach out because they really need a fix for a certain issue they're facing with their animals. However, can animal communication always guarantee such fixes? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Like I mentioned at the beginning, many people reach out to me because they are in a fix and they really need a resolution. However, communication can not always guarantee a fix to the problems that the human and the animals are facing. Just like with humans, it is a tool to understand the other person, the other animal in this case, and figure out if there is a middle ground that can be reached. In certain cases, these resolutions come through as communicators speak to the animals. However, in certain cases, there is a possibility that no resolution is possible. So, as a communicator, I cannot really guarantee if we can resolve or fix any issue. Additionally, when it comes to health and behavior, as a communicator, we do not trespass into the territories of other professionals such as behavior therapists or doctors. So, if your animal has a health issue, please do take them to the vet because it is important that their issues are catered at a physical level. Likewise, if you have a behavioral issue with your animal, and especially if it's a sudden issue, it is a good idea to bring them to your vet to understand if the issue is because of an inherent health issue which is leading for the animal to be in pain or in discomfort. You must also reach out to a behavior therapist in this case because they work on the physical aspects of the animal which we as communicators may not really be able to address as well as the other professionals. It is important that all of us work together as a team to help resolve issues the human and the animal have together rather than trespassing into each other's territories. I am working on one such case where this beautiful dog has been adopted for the past couple of months and he has been facing constant issues with his behavior, especially with his potty training and with interaction with the other dog at home. Now, I have already told the human to reach out to their vet and a behavior therapist to help them at a physical level. Alongside, I have been having conversations at the request of the human with the dog to help us understand what the dog really requires in this situation. Through these conversations, we have understood what is working for the dog in terms of the behavior therapy, in terms of the vet's visit, and what is not working. While the changes are taking time to come, I'm very happy to say that with the collective effort of the team that we are offering to the animal and the human, there is a positive change in the dog's behavior where the dog is calming down, not just when it comes to the interaction with the other dog at home, but also with his potty training and the way he behaves with the human. So while communication can definitely bring an insight into what the animal feels at a spiritual and emotional level, we cannot ever let go of other professionals such as doctors and behaviorists because we as a team can provide a holistic resolution to the issues the human and the animal are facing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you've had such experiences with your own animals or other people's animals, please comment them in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.